Today, we covered more than 20 assets, outlining key technical levels and the biggest near-term risks. War, interest rate moves, and tech news royal markets. From Bitcoin to Tesla, we'll cover the key levels. Welcome, I'm Salil. Let's jump right into the chart analysis. After the Israel-Iran conflict erupted, Bitcoin saw a sharp sell-off, yet strong bids around $103,000 sparked a relief rally. It's now sitting at a critical resistance level, which I doubt it can clear. If it fails, a pullback toward $101,000 is likely. Ethereum faces a similar setup. There's vital support around $2,400 and I expect the price to test that level in the near term. On the screen is the total crypto market cap chart. You can see a descending trend line being challenged by an ascending trend line forming a symmetrical triangle. If the lower boundary gives way, the total market cap could fall to about $2.6 trillion, which would be bearish for the entire market. Next, let's look at gold. Gold has been in a rally for some time and it still loves geopolitical tension. Its post-conflict bounce has held up. A breakout above $3,500 would likely pave the way to fresh highs. Now to the US dollar index. DXY is under pressure from Trump's tariff rhetoric and the Fed's delayed rate hikes. It remains in a downtrend. If it can't reclaim that trend line, the dollar will keep weakening. A weaker DXY tends to support risk assets. Turning to EUR/USD, that pair is in a rising channel buoyed by the dollar's weakness, so unless something changes, the uptrend should continue. GBP/USD likewise has broken above 1.34 and is pushing higher. I expect that momentum to persist. Let's review QQQ. It had been in a strong uptrend until tariff news snapped the lower trend line. It's since climbed back into the channel. If it holds here, all-time highs are within reach. But a break below $495 would ramp up selling pressure. The Dow Jones Industrial Average hasn't been as strong as QQQ, stumbling off resistance at 42,651. A reclaim of that level would be bullish, but for now the chart looks weak. As for SPY, after its steep tariff-related drop, it has fully recovered and sits just 2% from its all-time high. A pullback toward the $576 support zone would be normal, and as long as that level holds, the bull case remains intact. If you follow me on TradingView, you will see my Tesla analysis. The downside scenario I outlined around $365 played out. Tesla is now back into a resistance zone at $333. If it can't break above volume, a retest of $300 is probable, but a decisive breakout could send it back toward $365. And of course, any thaw in Elon Musk-Trump tensions would be very bullish for Tesla. Apple watchers know I've pointed out its downtrend on TradingView. A trendline break there would pave the way for a solid bounce. Apple's lagging AI push has weighed on the stock. Microsoft, meanwhile, just hit a new all-time high at $480. It's powering ahead on software strengths. A pullback to $430 could present a strong buying opportunity. Meta was knocked off its long upward channel by tariff news, but has re-entered that channel and is now consolidating. The direction of the next breakout will be crucial. Nvidia investors, you know from my previous analysis that I expected a breakout, and indeed it cleared its downtrend, now flirting with all-time highs. If you hold shares, scaling out around these levels could be prudent. Palantir has been a popular momentum play. It's trading at the tip of its uptrend channel, so risk management is key. Any breach could trigger a swift pullback. Amazon briefly broke its long uptrend but has since regained it, now trading within that channel. A decisive breakout either way would likely lead to a strong move. AMD remains weak below its falling trend line. Only a strong move above $130 on heavy volume would restore bullish momentum. I believe United Health (UNH) is sitting at a long-term bottom. This could be an attractive entry for buy and hold investors. Netflix sold off from the top of its rising channel and is now heading back toward the channel floor near $1,160. That's normal retest behavior. HIMS has been popular lately, trading between support at $51 and resistance at $66. A breakdown below $51 could spark a sharp decline. Intel is range-bound between $18 support and $22 resistance. A breakout above $22 could carry it toward $26. Today, we covered more than 20 assets, outlining key technical levels and the biggest near-term risks. Let me know in the comments which crypto or stock you'd like me to analyze next, and I'll deep dive into the most requested ticker in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Markets move fast, so stay ahead.